Okay, so we just created our new project called Kitchen Revamp. So now we're gonna go add a photo. And what I wanna talk to you about is why I designed Cosee the way I did when putting in items. And it is to keep you organized without even having to think about it. So you have a what and you have a where, you see at the top. The what are things that you're gonna touch. Think appliances, tile, countertops, furniture. The where are all the places that you can walk to. Your kitchen, your bathroom, your back patio, those are all wheres. And with Cosee, these things are always interconnected because when you're doing a home project, the reality is that they are always all interconnected. You could be in the kitchen talking about countertops, but then you need to hop to the back door or the back patio and maybe talk about the flooring or materials out there. And so it keeps you organized. So let's go ahead and add our first item. So we're gonna see the symbol in the bottom left if you're using the app that has a little photo icon, and you're gonna see it comes up with one or multiple. We're gonna pick one right now, and we're gonna go to our camera roll, and we're going to add photos of countertops that we looked at. So this is a beautiful Mustang quartzite, and we went and shopped around. We got 4 great photos of it, and we are creating one item. We're picking 4 photos because these photos stack within that one item. So now you're gonna see I am going to go in and tag countertop. You're gonna see all of these what's that are in the template. Tag countertops is in this case if you're adding countertops. If you're adding tile, tag tile. Keep in mind on a what, you can only tag one thing because this is your hub. This again is what's going to keep you organized, that you have a hub and spokes that are interconnected. Well, now on the where, these are our spokes. We can go select as many areas that we think that this countertop might go. And in this case, we're looking at it for the kitchen and the primary bathroom as well as the shared bathroom. And then you're going to see an area that we can drop links into, and we can also add notes. So we can go in and put the date that we looked at this and decided that we liked it. Well, we can also go in, I put 2025 thinking in the future, but I fixed it in my notes, you'll see. But so easy, if you type something wrong, like anything else, put in your notes, you can say why you love it, anything about it, and then you're gonna hit save. It's key at the bottom, you always save your item. And then what's really exciting is that instantly now you're gonna be able, you can go to the search bar at the top, we're gonna type in our countertops, and then there it is. We can find it instantly. And not only that, you're gonna see on the screen, everywhere we tagged it, it came up. And if you hit the icon that lets you magnify it, you're gonna see the notes that I just typed. So let's now go back and talk about adding multiple items. And this usually is when you just want to see images individually. You do not want to stack them. So again, bottom left-hand corner, this time we're going to tap it and hit multiple. And so now when we go to add photos, let's say that we're still thinking about our kitchen, but a perfect example is inspirational images. We all have tons of them and we want to see those individually. So we're going to go through, you can see I'm scrolling through my camera roll. This is all work that we've done at Cosee Home. And I'm going to start tagging all of the kitchen images that I love, that I want to have in my Cosee project for reference. So I've selected 3. I'm now going to say I'm going to upload these select files. And because I went into the main home screen, you're going to see there's a folder called Uncategorized. It's going to now drop into that folder. So I clicked in there. You're going to see now all of these kitchen inspirational images. And you see when I tap on it, I can now go in very easily into the tagging screen to go in, tag inspirational images, tag kitchen, and save it. And you'll see how quickly this goes because I am going to do that on each image. And then when we hop back out into the main Cosee, we are now going to see that they're going to be all there waiting for us. So easy to find. But let's say now that we've created and put things into inspirational images, and we see all of these images and we think, you know what, I want to add one more. The app is smart and it follows you. So if we navigate into there and we now go to add another image, I click to add, I click to add add one photo, I'm going to go back to my camera roll and I'm going to add an additional image. It already auto tags it for us. So you'll see that on the screen. So when I hit save, and I'm going to navigate back out so you can see it a little easier, you now see all 4 there. So easy to get to. No more chasing things down in your phone. You know exactly where they are. You only have to touch this image one time and you always know where to find it.